Hey guys, if you're looking to get rid of your grey hair with Niconi Professional's instant hair color, then I'm here to show you just how quick and easy it is to get great natural looking results. If you need help choosing the right hair color, head to Niconi's Amazon. They have multiple shades there, but when in doubt, go a shade lighter. Before we get started, you'll need to read and follow the skin allergy test instructions and safety warnings included with the product. Then perform the skin allergy test 48 hours before each use of the product. Okay, now that that's done, you'll just need to gather a couple of items and keep them all within your reach. You'll need something to keep time, an old towel to keep your countertops clean, and petroleum jelly. Inside the Niconi Instant Hair Color box, we have instructions, a bottle of color base, a bottle of developer with applicator bottle, and 4 pairs of gloves. Yes, because one box gives you backup for 4 hair color sessions. Here's a helpful tip. Use Niconi Instant Professional Hair Color right after you get a haircut. It'll be easier to get right down into your roots and the change in color will be more subtle. Okay, so before you put on your gloves, you're gonna want to put a line of petroleum jelly around your hairline. That's going to help prevent staining where you don't want it. Go ahead and throw on the gloves so you don't stain your hands. So let's start by shaking the color base bottle and the developer bottle for a couple of seconds. Once the color base bottle and developer bottle are good and shaken, pour both in the applicator bottle in equal quantity with the help of the markings on the bottle. To make it easy for you, the markings on the bottle denotes equal dosages. So in other words, it's go time. Simply cut off the tip of the applicator bottle, pointing the tip away from your face. Put a finger on it and shake to mix thoroughly. Keep in mind that the color in this bottle is not the color that will end up in your hair once all said and done. So, don't get nervous and just start applying. Start where your hair is the greyest, squeeze to apply the mixture, and then move on to the rest of your head. Make sure to get the back, your sides, and be sure to use all of the product in the bottle. When you've used all the product, gently massage it in to cover every hair on your head. Now that your entire head of hair is wet with the product, set your timer for 10 minutes and hit start. If you leave it on longer than 10 minutes, the color will get darker, so make sure you keep an eye on that clock. Till the hair color does its work, take some water in the applicator bottle, cover the tip with your finger and shake it thoroughly. Repeat this process twice to make the bottle ready for reuse. Now that 10 minutes are done, just rinse out the product. You'll know you're good to go when you don't see any color running down the drain. Then apply your normal shampoo. If you use a color-saving shampoo, even better. It's that easy. 10 minutes with Niconi Professional Hair Color and your hair is back to its original color. This is not just for men. All you ladies, this works just as well for you too. So all in all, this Niconi hair color is enriched with vitamin C, it's got full grey coverage and it's drip free, so you don't have to worry about it staining your collar or your scalp. And more importantly, it lasts for over a month and yes, it takes just 10 minutes.